Today's quiz is going to be started now. Okay, so I feel that you all are ready, and honestly speaking, I am also very excited for today's match. I also feel that you all studied very seriously, okay, very thoroughly, and both the team will fight to win today's quiz competition. Okay. Are you aware of all the rules and regulations of today's match? Okay. The selected one will come here and is not supposed to look back. He has to answer looking at the screen only. Okay. You cannot look back. If you look back, 1 mark will be credited to the opposition team. That is the rule. Okay. I'll not do anything really. Everything will be done through the spinning system, you know. Okay. So something has to depend on fate. You have to accept that. Something. Okay. Toss. Okay. Anyone coin, please come forward and spin it. Spin which one?
Bridge.
Breeze, and you'll go for water lily, winning team. Okay. So decision should be yours. Okay. So section A is expected to face the first question. Okay. So let me spin for the selected one. Shuffle at least few times. Okay. All right. Piyash. Okay. Piyash has been selected, and Piyash is requested to come forward and look at the screen and wait for the selected question. I can shuffle it for several times. Number 7, question number 7. Question number 7, okay. It belongs to in the midst between B1, B2, not B2 actually. In the midst between B1, B2, the level. Okay. The first question, 7 question, sorry. Question number 7? Yes, question number 7. Yes, this is what I have done right now. Convert to passive voice. Convert the following sentence into passive voice. She has been teaching English for 10 years. You have to convert it into passive voice, Piyash. This is supposed to be very simple. I'll start counting down. She has been teaching English for 10 years.
So last one, 4.
Last one, 4. Challenge. Okay. Who? See, that is the correct one. Why this is the correct one?
Because sir, when the passive it will be has been. That
Which aspect of tense is it?
sir, it's a present perfect continuous.
Present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Has been, not been, and being over here. How can you select it, Piyash? Okay. So 1 mark is going to be credited to section B. Section B will get 1 mark. Okay. So we can add 1 here. Section B. Sorry. Extra. extra. Section B now, are you happy to have one? Okay.
But we want to win.
Let's see. Let's see. Anytime anything can happen. Anytime anything can happen. Okay. So we can go for the next spin
Yes, sir.
from B.
Yes, sir. Our text.
B. Sorry, this one.
Okay. Nine.
Naim has been selected. Naim, come forward. Now wait for the spin. And section A has to wait for the challenge.
Okay.
For challenging Naim, number 1 question. Number 1 question.
Number one.
Fill in the blank. By the time we arrived, they dashed their dinner. They dashed their dinner. You have to choose any one of these 4 options. Two had finished. By the time we arrived, they dashed their dinner. Any challenge? No challenge. Okay. Objection? Okay, which one do you want to select? Okay, wait for that. Again, let us see the score. Second one. Okay. So you don't have any challenge. Score 2. Okay. What is the objection?
Sir, when he was saying the answer, they made sound like that.
So you can find it in the video.
Disqual-
You can find it in the video.
Disqualified 1 mark will be credited to the opposition.
Yes.
That is the direct sign.
Sir, I can explain it, sir.
No problem. No problem. By creating that sound, you can give him the confidence. Yes, this is the second answer. Have you got the point? You cannot. আমরা আগেই বলেছি ডিসিপ্লিন এটা নাইম ই ক্যান এক্সপেক্ট such answer from নাইম can easily. I told you earlier, if you really lose the match, it is because of your indiscipline. Have you got the point? Because of your greediness. Naim, go and take your seat. 1 mark will be credited to section A. If you do the same thing, one mark will be deducted from your group also. Have you got the point? So 1-1. Naim can easily answer it, honestly speaking. So 1 mark extra for section A. Now we can go for another spin. Fayaz has been selected to come forward. Fayaz, wait for a second for the option you are going to deal with. That is question number 4. Question number 4 has been selected for Fayaz. Question number 4. Identify the error. Neither of the options were visible or viable for the company. Okay. We talked about this, this type of question yesterday. Okay, which one is the error one? Okay. Identify the error, neither of the options.
Sir, no errors.
No errors? Any challenge? Okay, which one?
Sir, neither.
Neither?
Any challenge?
Again challenge. Wire. That is the, yes, explanation.
We know that if there is either or neither, so the verb, auxiliary verb will be of singular. So
Singular.
Where there will be
Either and neither. Either and neither is a singular. Okay. Singular subject. So a singular subject deserves a singular verb. And that is why where is the error here. Yes, was is supposed to be the correct one. You could take, Ajim, you could take 4 or 5 seconds, not problem, okay? Why did you answer it so rapidly? Okay, Fayaz finally got one. Okay. Fayaz marks 1. Luck this time. Okay. Next one. Keep in mind, either and neither is singular. Have you got the point? Either or neither is singular. You will have to face this type of question in the final exam. You may face. Keep in mind. Sinan, okay, Sinan. Wait for that. What is the spinning? Question spinning.
Step forward.
No sound is expected now, okay? Question number 2. You can expect something good from Sinan. Let's see. Question number 2 is going to be answered by Sinan. Choose the correct preposition. She is highly skilled dash negotiating complex contracts. Take time, some time, 9-10 seconds, okay? An opposition, section A, you can challenge him if he makes any wrong decision. At any challenge? Any challenge? Okay, no challenge. Probably at is the correct answer. At. When we talk about skill, then preposition at. Okay, 1. Yes, sit down. Marks 1. So what is the score? Ultimate score? Equal. Okay. Now section A. Mehrab this time. Mehrab has been selected. Mehrab will answer question number 8. Question number 8 will be answered by Mehrab. You can expect 1 score from Mehrab. Mehrab always does well in the classroom, very often does well. Fill in the blank. He is incapable dash making quick decisions under pressure. Incapable is always followed by a preposition.
Sir, I want to select in.
In. Challenge.
Not yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, off.
Of course. Incapable of. It's a very simple phrase. Incapable of. Of will be the correct one. Incapable of. So score 4. Yes, your extra 2 point.
Yes.
Okay. Next, this time your.
Yes, sir.
Everything is going great. Okay, competition has been at its peak. Really. Enough this time. Okay. Enough. Confident.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Enough. Which one you are going to answer? Number 9. Enough. Number 9.
Yes, sir.
Number 9. Okay.
Sir.
1. Fill in the blank. They dash the meeting by the time I reached the office. Okay. And the section A you can challenge if Anaf makes any mistake. They dash the meeting by the time I reached the office.
Sir, B number, sir.
B number. Okay. Any challenge? No challenge. That is the correct answer. One objection. Okay. Number 5. Okay. What is the objection?
Obviously that, sir, they were observing us, sir, and sir, when I sir look at Pierre, sir, by side, sir, listen, show me, sir, bad sign. Sir, I don't want to, sir. They are watching us.
Listen. Did you show any? So it means that discipline issue এই জায়গাতে তোমরা এই সেশনে ডিসিপ্লিনে এখনো 3-এ চলে গেলা পাংচুয়ালিটিতে রুলস ভাঙার জন্য। ওকে, সো এখানে তোমাদের স্কোর হয়ে থাকলো 3, এখন পর্যন্ত তার হয়নি, এখানে 3 চলে আসলো টিম 1-এ, কিন্তু তারা 4 করলে কিন্তু প্রতি 12 মার্কে 1 মার্ক হিসেবে কাউন্ট হয়। ওকে, কিপ ইন মাইন্ড। ওকে,
Sir, they made sound. What will be about that?
Yes, sir.
if they make a who
Sir, wait.
not, then one mark was credited to you. Have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
They got 1 mark.
Extra. Okay,
Marks.
this one
Yes, sir. Section B.
section B. Okay, এটা কেন not this one? Now section A. Just is it section A's turn?
Yes, sir.
Sadiq. Who is Sadiq? Sadiq চলে আসো, come. Five. Okay, question number 5 will be answered by Sadiq. Fill in the blank. She dashed her report for hours when her computer crashed. So 4 is here, hours. So you can challenge if he makes any mistake.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sadiq also takes some time to understand it before answering. And you just get ready for challenge if he makes any mistake.
The answer will be C.
C. Okay. Any challenge? No challenge. Okay, this is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Because continuous tense for a definite period of time in the past. That is why past perfect continuous tense. Okay, next. 1 mark. 1 mark will be credited. Sadiq has earned 1 mark for your team. Okay. Now this is for section B's turn. Section B is turn ke Tamid. Where is Tamid? Tamid, come forward. Tamid, confident?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Let's see. That's good thing. Okay. Number 3 has been selected for Tamid. No, Tamid, number 3. This one. Convert to passive voice. The team will complete the project next week. Very simple one. No talking. If you utter a single word, then one mark will be credited to section A. This is very simple.
Sir, the answer, sir, B.
Answer is B. Any challenge? No challenge. Okay. Supposed to be the correct answer. Let's see.
Must have to be correct.
7. Okay. Ever next, it is section A's turn. Okay. Only one mistake can change the game. Okay. Muntasir, this time. Muntasir will answer question number 6. 6. One mark in discipline. Okay. You also will get team 2, 3 this time. Okay. No sound. It was our rule. If you make again another sound, then another one. 6. Question number 6. Choose the correct form of the verb. If he dashed the bus, he would not have been late. Not very difficult one. He would not have been late. This is the area on which he can take the decision. Number B. Any challenge? Okay, right. Okay, but what is the reason? Isn't it third conditional? Okay. That is why had. Okay. So most probably the last question. Section. Okay. Number. This question will decide, okay, many things. Decider question. Sadid. Wait, Sadid. Okay. Sadid will answer which one? Number 10. Identify the error. The results of the experiments has been published in the journal.
Sir, B number.
B number. Okay. Any challenge? Which one? A. The results of the experiments. A. Not really. I don't think so. Sorry, sir. The results of the experiments has been. Results, that is means plural form. Okay. Score. Okay. This time. So first session.
Sir, if we add the result of the experiment has been, so if the result is the subject is singular, so the verb is also singular.
Results plural.
Sir, but if we replace results by result,
But there is no option. Result is not here. Results here. There is no option. Okay. This time, first session.
results is also your sir.
No. Results. There is no option. Okay.
Yes, right, sir.
But যেহেতু firstly they have answered it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They have already answered it.
Challenge.
Answered it already.
How
One answer.
can they
You
challenge?
identified the error.
No, already one answer we have got already. Challenge চলে গেলে হয়তো অন্য কিছু হতে পারত। But this is very good observation. Okay, so first session has been owned by section B. Okay, you have to wait for next two sessions. Okay, nobody knows maybe both the team are very good teams, honestly speaking. But keep in mind how to fight in the midst of despair. বুঝতে পেরেছো? Keep this issue in mind. Okay. So discipline, and then we'll get 4. So double click most probably. Double click হয়ে গেল 1 4. So respect and team also double 2 দিলাম সমান হয়ে যাবে. Team 1, team 2. So point discipline point equal. Okay. 15-15. Okay. So first session has ended beautifully. But section A, don't forget about their merit. Okay. Keep this issue in mind. Wait for that. Okay. So section B has won the first session. Okay, but section A has to fight very wisely. Okay, you did it earlier again and again. Okay.
We can start.
Okay, so we can start the second session.
Yes.
Okay. Did you enjoy the session?
Yes, sir.
Did you learn anything from them? From their answer? Did you learn? Okay. Please keep learning, because in the final exam you have 4 areas of grammar. What are these 4 areas? Right forms of verb, tense, active and passive voice, and preposition. Okay, and this quiz competition is dealing with all these 4 grammatical areas. Keep these issues in mind. This is how you all are being benefited. Okay. The tough question, okay, will be expected to be explained by the you students so that other ones can understand it. So we can start the second session.